Hi friends, good evening. Today we've got one stock where the company has got a total of two orders worth 203 crores for infra development projects. The shares of a leading water management firm specializing in providing turnkey services in water and wastewater collection, treatment, and disposal is the focus in today's trade, with two new orders worth 203 crore rupees, market cap of 3,258 crores. EMS Limited trading at 587 per share. EMS has secured L1 status for two contracts from UP Jal Nigam, in which one is sewage project worth 98 crores and the other is an Agra Water Supply Project worth 104 crores. The first project is awarded under a turnkey model, which includes comprehensive work, surveying, soil investigation, design and supply of materials, labor, and the execution of the project under Package 2 of the Nagar Nigam Ayodhya Sewage Scheme District 1 Part 2 and District 1 Part 1 Zone 1 and 2. The project is scheduled to be completed in 21 months. The second order was from the UP Jal Nigam Urban Major Infrastructure Project under the Agra Water Supply Recognition Scheme. The contract is worth 104 crores and the project is to be completed within 2 years. The turnkey project includes surveying, soil investigation, engineering and design, along with the supply of materials, labor and tools for construction and commissioning key infrastructure components such as intake well pump house, 1100 mm diameter raw water rising main connecting the intake well, a 55 mld water treatment plant with advanced treatment process. EMS specializes in executing water supply and sewage infrastructure projects including gravity and pressure pipeline networks, water treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, reservoirs, pump houses, etc. Important disclaimer: the article cum information has been extracted from different sources on the internet. All investment opinions and recommendations are those of the broking houses, respective agencies, rating agencies, and experts. These views do not reflect any personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial losses. It is investors must exercise due diligence and uh, exercise proper due diligence and conduct their own judgment. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the decisions made based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor or broker before making any investment decisions. This is the logo of the company. This is the current price of the stock as of today, 584. Company has lost 2.5% in the last 5 days, minus 10% negative return in the last 1 month, 35% loss in the last 6 months, and 0.93%, 1% return in the last 1 year. So you can see there has been a major correction in the stock in the September, October, November stock market correction. EMS Ltd is a multidisciplinary EPC company headquartered in Delhi that specializes in providing turnkey services in water and wastewater collection, treatment, and disposal. EMS provides complete single source services from engineering and design to construction and installation of water, wastewater, and domestic water treatment facilities. 3,250 rupees market cap. Price is 586, high of 1,017 rupees. Price to earnings ratio of 18, which is okay. Book value 176, which means the company is trading at about 3.5 times its book value. Dividend yield of 0.34%. Return on capital employed 26. Return on equity 20. Face value 10 rupees. Debtor days have increased from 113 to 142. That is the negative point. Company has delivered good profit growth of 20% in the last 5 years on a CAGR average basis. These are the peer. companies in relation to EMS. You can see Anthony Waste, Concord Environment, Eco Recycle, ZTech, FY Infra, High Green Carbon. You can see most of the price to earnings ratio are in excess of 20, some of them 25, some of them 40, some of them 49. So the company EMS has the lowest earnings to price ratio. Then you can see sales have been consistent with a small amount of growth margin. The net profit has dipped in the last quarter. Overall sales year on year, you can see an improvement uh, about 20 to 25%, about 20% average growth in the last 2 3 years. And if you look at the overall growth, sales growth, yeah, last 3 years is actually 39%, and last 1 year is 22%. Profit growth has gone down from 33% CAGR in 3 years to 24% in the last 12 months. Stock price growth of 5% in the last 1 year. Return on equity has been about 21-22% in the last 3 years. So it has been steady. Reserves have increased, which is a good sign. Borrowings have increased as well. So higher borrowings lead to higher interest costs and lead to impact on the overall financial profitability of the company and the management of its resources. So liabilities remain more or less the same, consistent over the last 3 4 years. You can see debtor days have increased, cash conversion cycle has also increased, working capital days have also gone up by 1 month, which again is a negative sentiment. You can see return on capital employed has been dropping since the last 2 years from 33 to 29 to 27 now. Promoter holding is 70%, which is good. However, public holding is stands at 30%, which means the stock can easily go into the volatile zone in terms of price as well as in terms of volume, as any sort of negative news would result in the stock being in the oversold zone very easily. So friends, thank you for watching the video. Please share this video with your friends, family and associates so that they could benefit from this information. Please also share your feedback in terms of improving the content and the quality of the video. And please also share any information with regards to any specific stocks we can analyze and provide some information for you. So thank you once again. We'll connect with another video very soon. I wish you a happy week ahead and good night.